safety. So with me today, I have a professional who is an essential employee. I'm joined with Tim Weiss, who's going to share a little bit about some of the strategies of psychological safety that he's currently been utilizing as a leader of essential employees. So Tim, for you, what has been the biggest piece that is necessary for creating psychological safety as well as physical safety for your team?
Well, I would say it's about being human with them, and talking with them, spending some time with them, hearing their fears, hearing their concerns, what's going on in their life, and that opens things up and for them to talk. I use some improv things like with a lot of yes and statements to keep them drawn in. And sometimes maybe it takes 2 or 3 sessions like that where you bring them in and they start realizing that it is safe. I can say what I want to say. There's not going to be this big backlash that's going to come around. I mean, I've seen places, I'll tell stories of where I've been where previous owners had handwriting analysts in. So I couldn't get somebody just even to sign a performance review because what are you going to do with that? Well, really nothing. I mean, other than it acknowledges this. Or, but I've also seen, in groups of people where they're afraid to speak up because somewhere they've been pounced on. And so they don't speak up and they don't say anything. And then they go off to themselves and have this whole other discussion that you really want to be a part of, or at least hear. And so that's
kind of that meeting after the meeting, how many times people are scared to say something.
Yeah. It's like, so you try to be as transparent as you can. I know you can't say everything and talk about everything and with the HIPAA laws and all this and that stuff. But it's okay to say you don't know, really. Sometimes you don't know. But being visible, being present, being somebody they can rely on, talk with, focus them. I think you use the term reframe, to reframe them on what you can focus on, what we can control. Here's how you empower yourself. Show them things they can do to focus on, as opposed to worrying about all this stuff that we just don't know what's going to completely happen.